guys, May 13th, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy next town over. He got a Symmons tub shower valve, or Symmons shower valve, and he says it's getting real hot and you can't really regulate the cold at all. So usually on them spindles they get cold and they don't give you any hot, but there's a little spindle that clicks on the inside the spindle, and sometimes that gets, you know, bound up in there with you know, sediment from the well or whatever, or sand, or something happens inside that little spindle. So most likely it just needs another spindle cartridge, and that should take care of the, you know, regulating the hot and the cold, because it regulates in that little clicking action thing, you know, with all the holes, all kinds of holes in the spindle, and that's where that hot cold regulates through when you turn it. We will go over there and shut it off and change. Hopefully the handle comes off. If not, I have handles in the truck, the Symmons shower valves. Said it was a shower, so it might, the spindles are the same. The only thing difference with the shower and tub is that, well, the lower diverter is different on them. So we're on our way over there and see what we can do for the guy. He doesn't want to, from what he said on the phone, he don't want to try tackling it. So we'll check it when we get there. Should be an easy fix, hopefully. So he's saying it's just staying hot and it's not even cooling down. It's probably that spindle. We'll shut it off and we'll check it. I'm gonna have to shut it off downstairs. You know how to shut it off? Hear how it clicks like that?
Yeah.
I think it's a spindle. You know how to shut the water off?
I'd rather make sure you knew you got it in the right place.
Well, let me go do it then.
For the whole house?
Yeah. Right here. This shuts it off right here. Quarter turn, it's done. Okay?
Yeah.
And then you got another one up top there.
That would do it, right?
Yeah, but we'll just shut it off there just as easy.
The Wolf guys are
I think it's the spindle that's... The cap just pops off. Let me show you. Unless that's the one that's got the... No, that should just come right on here. There it goes, see it?
how'd you get the screwdriver in there? Gosh.
It's kind of a different one. We take that out and it doesn't click back and forth, that's our problem. We tired now?
Yes, sir.
How do you like that? You like it?
Life is good, yes.
I mean, some people like being retired, some people don't. It all depends, I guess.
I have a group of buddies, we retired similar, and
Depends on what you did for a living too, probably, huh?
depends if you have any other interests. We've been traveling a lot.
Well, that's nice. Even with the covert thing?
No, we haven't. Now with COVID, we haven't been anywhere.
See it don't click?
Yeah.
Hear it? There's no clicking.
Yeah.
That's the problem. Simple fix. Simple is good, right?
Simple is good.
I knew that's what the problem. Go ahead and try clicking it back and forth. Click it back and forth. Back and forth, straight. There you go. No noise, right?
No.
So, and then you can see this one.
Yeah.
See it?
Yep.
They do sell these things in Japan like for $15, but they don't. You gotta get the OEM ones. The ones from Japan don't work. It's gotta be OEM. Sometimes, you know, these knockoff shit just doesn't, it's no good, you know?
Yep.
I mean, traveling sounds like the thing to do when you retire.
As long as you save enough. When we were retiring, we weren't sure.
You had enough dough?
Yeah, we weren't sure, but turns out we had plenty. So.
Yeah, I got plenty of do-re-mi. Do-re-mi, Faucet. You ever hear that song?
Yeah.
Do-re-mi. Yeah, the seats still look okay, I guess.
So we've been retired for 7 years now. We're ready to book a trip for next year.
Well, everybody's getting vaccinated, so it shouldn't be an issue now, right?
Right.
Hopefully.
Well, now it's availability. There was a cruise. We had a cruise in Europe. Canceled on us last year.
Well, you don't want to go on no flipping cruise and be stuck on that ship forever.
Yeah.
That's what happened to these poor people, remember?
This is a river cruise, not an ocean cruise, so
I
tried to
move it
rebook
back.
it for 22. And there's no availability. It's sold out.
It's sold out?
Yeah, for all of 22 the cruises. So.
Wow.
So we found another one.
That's crazy, huh? Gotta kind of really set these valves in when you first put them in, so. You want me to fix the leak up top also?
Yeah.
If I can?
Yeah.
Things dripping on you, right? So you couldn't figure out how to get that cap off?
I couldn't, yeah. So the rest of there was a video that showed how to do the rest of this stuff.
Yeah, it just sticks right on there. It just goes. This actually,
I
like this one because it doesn't have the little dogs on it. So that one will last a while. I should take care of that. And I mean, yeah, you could have your shower working, right? Oh, it's just loose as a goose. Yeah, is it loose as a goose? We won't do it. We should go just tighten it up a little bit and we should be good. Don't like them. You don't want it loose as a goose, do you? It's no good. Yeah, I just needed some little attention and I should do it. That should be warm. He was complaining about it, but again, it was just staying hot all the time. Give it a little bit of water to get up here. Starting to warm up now. There it goes. And then you turn it down, it should cool off a little bit. There we go. Okay, we're cool off there.
Beautiful.
We'll turn it up.
So prior, you had to have it way over here.
Yeah, no, see, now it's working. You want to check it? Just so you're good with it. Because I could adjust the handle to get it hotter if you want, but that's hot. Gotta give it a little time. It will. It's regulating now. The problem was definitely that spindle. You heard it when it wasn't clicking.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, what's that? What's the matter with the outdoor faucet?
So I had a plumber. He installed this new.
I think it's coming right out the top. You try tightening all this other stuff up. I think it's coming out right at the top there. There's a little washer in there we might be able to change. I don't even know what kind that is. Zern maybe? Yeah, so you have to remember this hose has to come off.
Yep.
It's spraying right out that washer. You have to relieve the pressure, but you can see that washer is probably split. See it? I should be able to just put a new washer in it, hopefully. See, the washer just came off, the little check valve thing. It's kind of different. It's got a screen on that one. See, the little washer popped off. Yeah. I got a Delta. I got a different kit here. I think we could use some of the parts. Let's try it, right? This one's a little bit bigger. Let's see if it works in there.
I got a pair of.
No, it ain't gonna work unless I could change this whole thing maybe. See if the threads are the same. They might be. If not, we gotta change the whole device. But no, I don't think the threads aren't the same. Nope. See, that's just a little bit bigger. See it?
Yeah.
That's just this flipping little tiny washer in there is all it is. See how soft they are though? They're so soft. You can't put a regular washer in there because this is so much softer. Let's try it. A regular washer is too hard, it won't work. It has to be one of these soft little wimpy ones. Kind of odd, huh? No, she's still leaking. It's cracked. It's cracked. It's leaking out the plastic. So we gotta change it. Gonna have to change the whole faucet.
You have time to do that?
Yeah, see it. Yeah, I could do it. Can I get to it?
Yeah.
Might have just went through a freeze, you know. All right, we changed it. Put a new one in there. He's gonna go turn it on down there. Good. Any leaks?
Nope.
That's one of them aluminum jobbies. I'm a big fan of those. One of those expandable ones. Alright. No leaks. How did we replace it?